So, Alice, where can you solve the greatest mystery of them all? Oh, I love riddles. Where can you I'm late.
What's that? Oh, it's probably Danny. They do something as usual.
I believe it was the White Rabbit. And where there is the White Rabbit, there is the Queen. Quick, Alice, run! Hide! Hide!
What do we have here? Steve? Up to no good. Guards, seize them and feed them to the Jabberwocky.
To the Jabberwockies?
My, I need to find help!
I think we're lost. This doesn't look like the way to FTC.
No, this is just a shortcut. My GPS knows exactly how to get
I wonder what land we're in.
Help! Help! Somebody help me! My friends! They've been captured by the Queen of Hearts! And she's gonna feed them to the Jabberwocky!
Snap out of it, woman.
No,
It's just inappropriate at the moment. We'll help you. We're from Circle K and we live to serve.
We love to serve.
Oh, awesome! Thanks! Please come with me! Why have you captured us? We have done nothing wrong.
Because I am the queen and I do as I say.
You're mad! No, I'm mad.
No, you're not D. I'm D.
And
No,
they call
I'm
me
D. You're
mad.
dumb.
Enough! Guards, feed them to the Jabberwocky.
Wait right there! I've come to rescue my friends!
Girl, you expect to succeed on your own?
No, I have the power of service, leadership, and fellowship behind me.
Hi-ya! Whoop-pa!
I see. You come prepared for a battle. All right? Jabberwockies!
What the heck is happening?
That's not a Jabberwocky. Oh, okay. That's the Jabberwocky.
If it is a Jabberwocky, that must mean a...
Oh, yeah. We're on it. Woo!